Welcome to our first lesson about materials. For these earrings we will need clip-on element. If you create pair of earrings you will need 2 clip-on elements. If you want to create it as a mono earring you will need just 1. Then you will need seed beads. I have Czech seed beads in size 10. Crystals. These crystals are 2 millimeters each. Then needle, thread. Thread should be in a color which match to our seed beads. Piece of felt, eco leather or felt. You can use the same one. Pen. I have gel pen in gray color. Cardboard and scissors.